Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on the application of Brave. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Brave app and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. After that you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Brave and then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So don't forget to bell icon, subscribe, see you next time.